Are you unable to log into Free Fire on your iPhone or iPad? Is the game getting stuck on the login screen, showing an error, or refusing to sign in with Facebook, Google, Apple ID, or guest account? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you several easy and effective methods to fix the Free Fire login problem on iPhone and iPad. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. The first thing you should check is your internet connection. Open a browser to your choice. Type Internet Speed Test. Wait for a moment to test your internet speed. If your internet is weak, swipe down from top, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. Now, open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Free Fire Max. Now tap Upload App. And now reinstall it. Now go to App Store. Tap Profile icon. Tap on App Updates. Search for Free Fire Max. If you find any update, then update it. After that, restart your iPhone. And that's how you can fix the Free Fire login problem on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.